Dreams, mysterious, sometimes strange, and often puzzling. Have you ever woken up and wondered, why did I dream that? Or better yet, what does it even mean? Let's dive into the fascinating world of dreams and uncover why we dream and what your dreams might reveal. First, why do we dream? Scientists believe dreaming serves several purposes. Some say it's your brain's way of organizing thoughts and memories, like decluttering a messy desk. Others think it's how your mind processes emotions, sort of like emotional therapy while you sleep. There's even a theory that dreaming is your brain's survival simulator, helping you practice reactions to potential threats. So, what do your dreams mean? Dreams are deeply personal. While some symbols might feel universal, like flying representing freedom or falling signifying anxiety, the truth is your dreams are shaped by your unique experiences, emotions, and thoughts. Here are a few ways to interpret your dreams. 1. Start with your emotions. How did the dream make you feel? Fear, joy, or confusion might point to emotions you're wrestling with in real life. 2. Look for recurring themes. Repeating dreams could be your subconscious flagging something important. 3. Ask yourself, what's going on in my life? Stress, relationships, or even random memories can creep into your dreams and turn them into symbolic stories. But here's the big question. Are dreams just brain activity, or do they carry deeper meaning? For centuries, people have believed dreams might offer spiritual insight, creative inspiration, or even warnings about the future. And while science hasn't answered everything, one thing is clear. Your dreams are a window into the fascinating workings of your mind. So, next time you wake up after a wild or puzzling dream, ask yourself, what is my mind trying to tell me? You might just uncover something you didn't realize about yourself. What's the strangest dream you've ever had? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos that dive into life's biggest mysteries. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Have a question or topic you'd like us to explore with AI? Comment below.